Hello, all you beautiful people. Listen, this video is not about a particular topic. I'm going to talk about several things, but it's really only pertaining to my channel. I have noticed for over a year that a lot of you all, when you comment on my videos, you will begin to get off the topic of what the video message is. And I want to tell you that from this point on, I'm not going to entertain or respond to any one of you that are getting off the topic of what my video messages are. Another thing some of you all have begun to do, you want to debate and become confrontational with me about me believing in God. That's not up for discussion. I'm sorry, it's not. I don't owe you anything to explain to you why I worship and why I believe in God. I have subscribers up here that are devil worshipers, to be honest. I have subscribers up here that are Catholic, they're Buddhists, they're Muslims, they're Christians, and they're atheists. And I respect their right to believe in or not believe in a certain deity. I respect it, and I never impose my belief on others. So I will not under any circumstances allow any one of you to impose on me your thoughts, your sentiments, and your belief in the things that you believe in, because it's unfair. I'm tired of getting into confrontations with people and explaining myself as to why I believe in God. If you are familiar with my channel, you already know that in a lot of my videos, I implement God. I talk about God. If you do not like the fact that I discuss God and talk about God, you do not have to view my videos. You do not have to view them. You can move on. I'm not forcing you to view my video message. Another thing that I need you guys to understand, and I'm saying all of these things with love. I don't want you guys to think that I have an attitude. I am irritated to a certain extent, but I don't really have an attitude. You all cannot control my channel. I've been getting a lot of comments on my videos when you all are coming up here telling me what I should be discussing. You are not going to run my channel and tell me what I should and shouldn't be discussing or what I should tell the audience, because it's my channel. And I make a choice to leave my comment section open. But understand, at any point I can disable the comments to where nobody can comment on it. But I choose to leave it open because I understand you all have opinions, you have sentiments, you have beliefs, and you have feelings and thoughts about certain things. And I don't get angry at the opinions of other people. But where I draw the line is when you start trying to make me feel bad because of what I believe in. Another thing I want to address is that you all need to stop getting off the topic of what the video message is. If I'm talking about one particular thing and I'm addressing a particular person, for instance, if I'm making a video specifically for women, men, please stop coming on my channel saying, well, you didn't talk about men. Women do this to men. You should have made a video for the men. I don't have to make a video for the men pertaining to that particular subject because it was addressing only the women. Vice versa. If I'm making a video for men, ladies, please don't come telling me, well, what about the ladies? You didn't make a video about the ladies. Well, at that moment and at that time, I was not addressing the women. I was only addressing the men. But I'm tired of getting into these racially charged confrontations and conversations with people when there is really no point. I don't want to play the race card, on my videos. Some of you all on certain topics, you're bringing the color of somebody's skin and you're bringing culture into the video when it has nothing to do with anything. Humans are going to be who they are. I don't care what their skin color is. If somebody's going to cheat, it doesn't matter what race they are. If somebody's going to be manipulative, it does not matter what race they are. If somebody's a liar, if somebody is a thief, if somebody is a drug addict, uneducated, if they're alcoholic, whatever their vice is, whatever their struggle is, I don't look at the color of people's skin. I just look at people. Humans are going to be humans, and we are imperfect and flawed people. So we'll make decisions all the time, but I don't get all deep into slavery times. I'm not about to, start comparing, American women or American men to foreign men and women. You all like to go there. You all love to go there and get well off the topic and turn the whole conversation into what you want to talk about, but it's not even talking about what that subject or video topic is talking about. Then guys, please stop coming on my channel saying, well, you're not smiling, you look mean. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I actually am a chipper person. I actually smile and laugh all the time. But if I'm talking about a serious video topic, why would I be smiling? So you basically judge me and you come with the perception about me because I'm talking looking serious, but I'm not smiling. So you just instantly assume and comment on my channel and say, oh, well, you look angry. Oh, you look mean. You're not smiling. What are you talking about? The thing is this. I know some of you all, some of my video topics have pissed a lot of you all off. I know some of you all, you will subscribe to me because you'll see 2 or 3 videos that you like and enjoy and you can relate to them. But then you'll click on some other videos if you keep searching, and you'll get mad and you'll unsubscribe like 10 or 20 minutes later. This happens all the time. Or some of you all, you will get angry, and instead of asking me questions, you will just start to pick out petty, stupid stuff to just be confrontational about. And I know a lot of people out here, they're very angry, they're bitter, they're miserable, and they are waiting to unleash all of that that's built up inside of them. But I'm going to just tell you, you're not going to do it with me, because I'm not going to entertain it. Every single day I delete people. I mute people. I block people. I delete comments out my thread. I do this all day, every day. If you don't know, I'm telling you, I am very, very much involved with my audience. When you guys email me personally, I respond. When you guys send me friend requests on my Facebook page, I accept it. Okay? And I talk to you guys on a personal level. But my thing is this: when you start getting into being disrespectful and calling me out of my name and trying to down talk me and be condescending because I believe in God, or because I didn't talk about a video topic you felt I should talk about, or because I didn't address the men or the women or whatever, I'm telling you, I'm not going to tolerate it. You don't have to be subscribed to me. You do not have to watch my video, and I'm not being mean. I hope you guys have an open mind and you understand where I'm coming from, because it gets annoying. It gets annoying, okay? And I know a lot of you all are smart alecky. Yeah, I've come across many of you. You're very sarcastic and smart alecky, and you will come on my channel and comment and say, well, this is the comment section and it's public. It's a public video, so I can say what I want to say. But actually you can't, because if I disable my comment section, you can't say anything to me. Really, you can't. You can have an opposing opinion. Like I said, you can have your sentiments and your beliefs. I don't get mad at the opinions of other people, but when you start being abusive, when you start getting disrespectful, when you start trying to be confrontational with me about something that's not meant to be taken deep, then that's when I have to cut you off. I'm just going to tell you guys that. You guys know I love you, but please stick to the topics in my videos. And guess what? I know that a lot of my topics I talk about, it's always a deeper level and another side. But because the audience attention span is kind of short, I don't go deep into a lot. I will only address a few things in one video. And I'm sure a lot of you all are intelligent enough to know that. So God bless you guys. I love you. And like I said, if you leave me a comment, I will respond. But if you start getting abusive and disrespectful, you will be deleted and blocked.